Hi, this is Aaron Etheridge with Console Classix. This is a quick tutorial video to show you how to download and install our client software, log into our service, and finally play a game. The first step is going to be to click this Download Now button. This will open a separate download.com page where the Console Classix setup file is hosted. Again, click Download Now. Most users will see a security warning at the top of their browser window. Simply click this bar and again click Download File. We will be presented with two options: to run the file or save it. In this case, we choose Run. This will usually take 30 to 45 seconds. As soon as the download is complete, we may receive a warning message. This is perfectly normal. In this case, the warning is the publisher could not be verified. That is acceptable. Click Run. This is the setup wizard. Most users are simply going to want to click Next through the entire process. You have to accept the agreement in order to install our software. You are given the option to install a desktop icon and a quick launch icon. In this case, I'm going to do both. When we get to this stage, we simply click the Install button. The install will take a few moments as we install both the DirectX redistributable and the VC++ redistributables. Each of these may take several minutes depending on your system. When the install is done, we will see a Finish button here. Simply click this button and then close both web pages. Now we have a Console Classix shortcut on our desktop. The first time you start Console Classix, the auto update will probably run. Again, this is normal. Once the auto update is complete, it will restart, bringing you to the main browser window. From here, you can log in with a free username and password. If you don't have one, you can sign up for a free username and password. In this case, we're simply going to log in as guest because it is the fastest way to get playing. Each time you log in as a guest or a free user, you'll be met with a splash screen that will count down. When the countdown reaches 0, you'll be brought to the main browser window. From here you have a number of options. One of the first things you may want to do is click the Controls button and familiarize yourself with the controls for each system. For example, on the NES, up is the up button on the keyboard, down is the down button on the keyboard, so on and so forth. You can take note of the fact that start is Enter, A is Z, B is X. From here we can go home. The highlighted buttons are what free users have access to. This includes guest users. The darkened buttons are accessible only to full account members. We're going to take the time to launch a NES game. We click NES. This loads a list of the NES games that are available. You can sort them according to the first letter of their title, or you can actually do a search for them. We're going to do a search for Zelda. We have both the original Legend of Zelda and the Legend of Zelda 2 available. We're going to play the original. We log in, go through the loading game process, and there's the game. We hit Enter, which in this case is the Start button, and the game starts. To end the game, we can either hit Pause Break on the keyboard or simply click X. This will bring us back to the Console Classix browser window. Free users and guest users can use the Free Sample button to play games that are normally only for full member systems. You can at any time browse the games that are for full members only. However, you will not be able to launch those games. Once you are done, you simply exit the browser. If you would like to upgrade at any time, you can upgrade with this button. If you are a free user, it will take you to the upgrade page. If you are logged in as guest, it will take you to our sign up page. And that's it for this video. We at Console Classix hope you enjoy using our service very much.